guys, April 15th, 2026. So there I got a call, actually it was yesterday, in regards to a water heater leaking. And looks like they got about 14 years out of it. Gas water heater into a chimney. So I was over there yesterday, probably around 1 o'clock or so, and it was still working. I told the lady I would go by there in the morning and change it out. So I got the water heater in the truck, and I'm gonna go by there and swap it out. I would have did it yesterday if they had no hot water, but they still had hot water. They're leaking in the basement where it's not a big deal. Well, it's kind of in a weird spot between a couple of columns. And but anyway, we're gonna go over there and
turn left on Russell's Mills Road.
I believe it's got 3-inch smoke pipe going to I think there's a 6x4 T where it taps in. Then they reduced down to 3-inch and ran over to the heater, so I could run 4-inch over from that T to the water heater that's twinned in with the boiler. 4-inch is better than 3-inch with a water heater. It'll work with the 3-inch, but I'd rather see 4 because 40,000 BTUs, you're supposed to have 4-inch smoke pipe. I mean, we did it for years and years and years with the 3-inch, but by code, if you really wanted to get technical, by the BTU rating of the tank, it should be 4-inch. I mean, there's plenty of heaters out there that are 3-inch. Most of them are 3-inch. It's like right at the borderline type of thing. So while I'm there, I'll probably swap it out the 4-inch and clean up the water piping. And it's got an old gas shut off on it with a lever handle. I'll have to see if I'm going to change that out. I'm not sure. We'll see what I do when I get there. Definitely going to put a new tank T, a new vacuum breaker, and clean up the water pipe. I don't think it's up on blocks. It's right on the floor. So I got some of these. I got 4-inch right here. Still running. I'm just kind of going to change this probably too. Probably should change this too.
I know.
Put a pump on it, pump it. Weird spot to have the flipping thing, but here's a leaker. Alright, I got enough pitch. This tank is a lot taller than the other tank. By quite a bit. It does have room there. I did cut the cold and the hot. I'm going to put a new shut off on the cold. You can see I got plenty of pitch. What I'll do is I'll come in here and then I'll put a little riser on the piece here. I'll put a 45 on this. And I'll come in there like that. I'll have access to this and the valve and the gas train in between them columns. And I could probably even put it, might even be able to put the tank over here somewhere closer. I'll have to run more water pipe. I think it's good there. It's out of the way, gives me room here. Leave it right there. Get the water off. Do some soldering here. Let that sit for a second, and then we'll swap it around and do a T. There's a leaker. This is the gas pipe. I came out with a 45 2.5 inch nipple to a T, a drop. I came up with I used some of the stuff I had. I put a new shut off. I did change this. I changed that T because galvanized is not legal. And that's a malleable, that's a cast iron cap. That's not legal either. So we cleaned it up. I'm going to do the gas pipe, the water pipe next, and then the smoke. Look, everything's been redone here on this thing, so. Price of these things are going way up. Used to be like $15. Now they're like 60. Ridiculous. Everything's gone flipping nuts. Everything's gone flipping nutty. Nothing's cheap anymore. Everything's crazy. Everything's crazy now. I'll put a new shut off right there on that thing. Like that. Put a shut off, I'll go right into the pipe with it. I'm gonna clean it up. Give the guy a good job here. I would like to put it up on blocks, but I'd rather have the extra room for the smoke pipe riser than the blocks. He does have a nice cellar. Sub pump system in here, so I don't have to worry about the water on the floor. Make sure these are tight. Gotta solder this stuff up. Shut all your faucets off now if you want.
Huh?
You can shut all your faucets off now.
Okay.
And then I can turn the water back on.
Alright.
Hopefully, got no leaks. We have to shut it off. We could shut it off here. That's fine. New shut off, new vacuum breaker, new tank T. Just gotta do the smoke pipe next. Alright, so I got the 4-inch smoke pipe here. It's always good to get like a 12-inch riser on this if you can. I left the blocks off the floor so I could get a little higher riser on that. Tied right in. 4-inch. Before it was 3. I did turn the gas back on. I should be able to light this pilot now and then turn it on. Gotta get the date on it yet. I usually put that screwdriver because it takes a while for it to bleed. I did shut the gas off to change this shut off. I should be able to hear it when it comes on. It's lit. I'm just gonna give it a little bit. You can see it in there. Give it a little bit. This one don't flash. That's usually where I set it, right there. Let's see if it stays on. It's staying on. I'm gonna turn it on here now. Houston, we have ignition. I don't see any leaks. He did bleed all the air out upstairs. This boiler was replaced. Last year, I replaced this boiler.